Do you know how counterfeit medicines find their way into legitimate pharmacies across the globe? Do you know how many people lose their lives or suffer significant damage to their health due to the unintentional consumption of counterfeit and falsified medicines? Are you one of those who believes that the problem of counterfeiting and falsification of medicines is an area of concern for the Asian and the African continent only? I'd like to highlight that the problem of counterfeiting and falsification of medicines affects the EU as well. Through my book, Counterfeit and Falsified Medicines in the EU, A Legal Perspective, I highlight this issue. It is a result of my research of the past 6 years. In the book, I discuss 3 well-documented case studies from within Europe. One is from Italy, another one is from Sweden, and the third one is from the UK. I discuss these case studies and analyze them with the idea of identifying some common issues. For example, one issue that emerged was infiltration of the legal supply chain. Another one was that counterfeit and falsified medicines are often sold online. After that, in the book, I take a look at the legal framework that addresses the issue of counterfeit and falsified medicines. Then I identify the gaps in the legal framework. Thereafter, I share my ideas on how these legal gaps can be bridged. 2 of my key findings are, firstly, that the problem of counterfeiting and falsification of medicines lies at the intersection of 3 different streams of law, which are IP law or intellectual property law, criminal law, and medicine law. Therefore, in order to find a solution, we need to look at these 3 different streams of law and try to create synergies between the enforcement authorities that represent these 3 different streams of law. Secondly, counterfeiting and falsification of medicines are 2 sides of the same coin. A case of a counterfeit branded medicinal product will also be a case of falsification of that same medicinal product. I hope to spark interest and increase focus of policymakers, practitioners, and researchers on the topic of counterfeit and falsified medicines, which is an area of concern and of relevance for all of us. After all, it's a matter of public health and safety.